Hey everyone, how's it going? It's AJ with Joe's Game Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to pair your Fitbit Versa 4 to your iPhone. As you can see here, I've got a brand new one out of the box that we just got. You'll open it up and you'll see an extra band, the charger, but this is what we're most focused on right here, the Versa 4. So what we're going to do is take all this protective stuff off and turn it on. So you're gonna, okay, mine's already on, but what you'll do is you'll hold this side button right here until the Fitbit logo pops up, let it boot up, and then it'll give you this screen right here. You'll choose whatever language you would like, and then you're gonna also need a phone with the Fitbit app, this one right here. So we'll click the Fitbit app, we'll go to our account. So if you don't have an account, you'll just set up one. And then you'll hit select set up device, and then you'll choose the device you want. Today we're doing the Versa 4, and we'll already have one paired to this phone, so we'll hit switch to Versa 4, agree with the terms, and then we will go through this. See, this is giving you all the steps here. If you need any, we'll just hit next. It's all charged up already. And now it's searching for the Versa 4. It'll come up with a combination on the watch that you need to put into the phone to pair it. Once you put it in, it'll start connecting. Just let it do its thing. It's gonna boot up, maybe give it some updates, and then we'll hit pair. And then you can choose here if you want it to send you notifications. I don't really need to. I don't need this either. And yeah, you'll need to update the watch. And then it'll sit here, it'll say downloading. Once the update is complete, we'll just go ahead and wait for the update to finish. Once the download is done, it will install the update. This can take up to 1 to even 10 minutes. I've had some pretty long updates, so just give it some time. Alright, and then on your phone it'll say your Versa 4 has been updated. And we'll go ahead and give the button a little press, and look at that, we are connected. We've got all of the stuff on here we need, and we can start using our watch. All right, and if you have any questions, feel free to message us. The link is down below. You can also leave a comment on our YouTube channel. I answer those pretty frequently. I hope this helped you guys out, and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.